Lie on your stomach, turning your face to the left with your right cheek on the mat. Take palm on top of palm behind your back. Lift your hands up as high on your back as possible, and then lower your shoulders as low to the mat as possible. So your shoulders will round forward here. Bring your legs together, bend both legs, kick your seat 3 times. Kick for 3, kick for 2, kick for 1. Reach your feet to the floor, reach your hands back towards your heels, lengthening your arms back. Lift your spine up, turn your head to the other side, lower your spine down, and then bend your arms back up. Repeat on the other side. Bend both legs, kick for 3, kick for 2, kick for 1, feet to the floor, hands towards your heels, open up your collarbones, the front of your shoulders, turn your head to the other side, lower back down, arms bent up. As you kick, keep pressing your hip bones down to the mat. As you lift up, hip bones press down, cinch your waist, open up the front of your collarbones, lengthening your spine forward, and then lower back down. As you lift, think more about stretching your spine forward, cinching your waist, rather than arching your spine. Lengthen your spine forward. Keep your hands glued together, not by gripping your fingers to each other, but think about hugging your shoulder blades behind your back to keep your hands together. Keeping your palms flat to your back the entire time. To modify, you can either just do the leg kick, or just do the upper body